no! Not again. Now you'll have to wait for the mechanic. You'll lose time and money, all because the engine keeps breaking down for the same defect. What if you could just turn off certain components? Eagle Truck Tuning Tool makes it possible. It allows you to tune your vehicle easily and safely at home within minutes. Deactivate the EGR DPF or DF AdBlue system and save yourself future trouble with faulty sensors or valves and clogged filters. Of course, you can also reduce fuel consumption and improve engine performance. Up to 20% torque increase and up to 10% reduced fuel consumption are possible. Don't worry, you won't break anything. We'll program your tuning file for you. Find your truck or construction machine on our website and select the modifications you want. Connect the tuning tool to your vehicle to download the software. After syncing the tool with your Microsoft Windows computer, our team of experts will program your custom tuning file. Plug it back into your vehicle, install the software, and you are ready to go. You can switch between the original and the modified software versions at any time. What you need to do is to connect the device to your truck after purchase and then make a computer connection. But don't forget that we will be providing you with 24/7 support throughout this process. Our team is ready to provide you with video support via FaceTime, WhatsApp, or Telegram in North and South America, Europe, and Asia 24/7. Order now and give your truck the power it deserves. Check what is possible for your vehicle now and order your Eagle Truck Tuning Tool today.